Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another remote work from home job just for you. Today we have this part-time account manager / customer support specialist that's 100% remote. It starts in June and ends in June of next year, so a whole year. And you'll be classified as an independent contractor an hour. So for this one is a fast and growing virtual healthcare delivery platform, and it's looking for a part-time account manager / customer support specialist to help our new and existing customers to fully enjoy the benefits of software solution. The ideal candidate has a minimum of 5 years experience working as a customer support, onboarding specialist, or account manager for software products used by clinical teams within medical practices or hospitals. We're looking for an experienced team member to onboard new users who are doctors, nurses, MAs, etc., to train them in our platforms and guide them towards growing utilization of our product faster. As part of a small team, you will have the opportunity to influence and craft the company's process, unleash your creative, and get involved in other areas such as marketing and product planning. Position is a 1099 independent contractor position, and the range is $30 to $40 per hour based upon experience as the company grows. This could become a full-time role with a bigger responsibility scope and full employment benefits. If you would like to apply for this particular position, I'll put the link right below in the description so you can apply right away. And if it's not for you, don't worry. Just subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you find the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.